How to make money with Instagram stories. I'm gonna just jump straight into it. You guys need to see all my DMs because it goes down in the DM. I don't know why I said that. I don't know why my voice is cracked either. I'm 26, what the fuck? Okay, so check this out, man. And I don't know why I said that either. Why do I gotta be like that? I wanna teach you guys a strategy that I'm using to make money on Instagram with Instagram stories, okay? Everybody can do this. It's really, really, really easy, okay? First of all, look, like these are all DMs, okay? And these are all conversations with business people, all right? I don't even know who this dude is, having a conversation with them. This dude, all right, conversation with them. I don't know what he said. I'm a follower of your content. We've spoken before. Email my struggles to get my first client so I can invest in your course. He's actually coming to me. He wants to buy my course. What are the three most vital action steps I should take? This guy never even got back to me. But the point is, people are coming all the time. Like this guy wanted to be a sales guy for me, all right? You gotta work deals in your DMs. This is a lady I've been in conversation with for a while. This guy right here, he's selling his stocks to start working with me, all right? He's got about 5K in stocks. He said, I'm still not clear, I'm waiting, right? He sold his stocks, he's gonna invest with me, start learning how to build a business with Instagram. Work your deals, work your clients in Instagram DM. If you wanna make money on Instagram, use your Instagram DMs to be able to make more money on Instagram, okay? Do not think that you can just post content and then people should buy your stuff. There's not even a sales process in that. You're not doing anything to create income. You need to give people a reason to want to work with you and want to buy from you. So what I suggest you do is the people that engage, that comment on your stuff, strike up conversations with them with an angle, all right? Hey, how you do? Awesome, that's really cool. Hey, thank you for following my content. What are you trying to do? Blah, 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 blah. Sell them some shit. Whether you have a product or a service. Start networking in your Instagram DMs so you can start making money on Instagram with Instagram DMs. It's pretty simple, okay? Look at the people that are frequent engagers of your content. The people that comment have taken more time out of their day to do that rather than just liking. So strike up conversations, all right? Cherry pick the ones that actually have a profile picture. If they don't have a profile picture, don't worry about it. If they have a profile picture, look at it, click it, visit their profile. If it looks like they kind of are like a semi-decent human being, meaning like they're actually on Instagram, they're a little bit professional looking or something, they at least seem somewhat intelligent and they're engaging on your content, click, DM, work the deals. Hey, thanks so much for giving me a follow. Really appreciate it. What do you do for work? Awesome. Build some common ground. Great. What are you trying to get out of life? Are you trying to start a business? What are you trying to do? Awesome. That's cool. Let them start asking you questions. Wait for that. That's your hook. All right, well, this is what I do, and I help people be able to do X, Y, and Z, or I run an e-commerce store. I actually help people get business tools that'll help them create more efficiency in their business. I actually help people be able to get better makeup, and so I actually have a makeup e-commerce store where I teach people how to do makeup, and I provide all the tools and the mascara and all this different stuff. Work your deals, okay? I got a buddy who joined my program, has 238,000 followers, hadn't made a dime on Instagram before. Now his biggest problem is he's made so much in the last 30 days since joining that his payment processor blocked him and was like, yo, you're making too much. And he's done 5 figures in the last 3 weeks. He took an account, he didn't do this. He's like, I wasn't networking, I wasn't using Instagram DMs to be able to make money, wasn't doing any of that. He started doing this, and all of a sudden he's like, man, I did $1,000 in sales today. I sold a product for $300. I did a shout out for this guy for 500 bucks. It's starting to work. You do not need a high level amount of followers with this. You need to build engagement by showing people you care. Reach out to them and network with whatever followers, whatever engagement you have, and snowball it so you can make more money with Instagram DMs, all right? My name is Ben Oberg. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about that, drop it in the comments. Let me know, okay? I reply to every single one of my comments. I want you guys to be able to get this going. The other thing that I want to be able to have you guys do is just join the webinar, join the web class and start learning from me, okay? This is where you're gonna get firsthand knowledge. You'll actually get a sneak peek at our premium course that you normally pay a couple $1,000s to be able to have access to. You'll actually get a sneak peek at my premium members course where we're teaching how to network, how to grow on Instagram, and how to make money with Instagram. So make sure you register for the free web class and set aside a couple hours, because this is a very high level training where we take people that are complete newbies, or maybe they have a brick and mortar, or maybe they already are making $100,000 per month, but they want to get it to the next level. And they know that Instagram is going to be able to do that for them. It's where the attention is. People are just more focused on likes than income. And I'm a sales guy. I've done millions of dollars in sales. So I'm not here to teach about likes and comments. I'm here to teach you about using a platform that you can operate from your phone and turn it into income. And you can do that very well by just focusing on Instagram DMs, and you can make money with that, all right? Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, get your hands on the free web class, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't know why I said that.